Tell me about your hobbies.
I like to watch movies and I like to walk. If I get a chance, I like to travel.
Okay. What's the best movie you've ever watched?
I like romance film, kind of love story.
Yeah, the best movie you've ever watched. I just want you to tell me about a single
I
movie.
wait to remember.
A Walk to Remember. All right. Nice. Tell me about the story for 2 minutes without stopping. Go.
She was attending church and they met there. After that, she had cancer. Just I will tell you what I remember.
Yeah, that's what I need. Yeah. Just the
She
gist
had,
of it.
she had cancer, and the guy falling in love with her. So I think finally she died. She passed away.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. That's sad. That's sad. I really like your
yeah. By
confidence.
the way, I was a student. I learned like two months. Yeah, married.
ለዛ ነው እሳት ሆንሽው። ለምን ነው የደበቅሻት እስካሁን ድረስ ደብቀሻት አሁን የምታወሪ? ለምንድን ነው?
Yeah,
ለዛ ነው።
it was
Did it help
happy,
you?
helpful.
Did it
Yeah,
help you? Okay. You see? Online, right?
yeah. Online class. Yeah.
ምን ታዲያ ምንድን ነው ታዲያ መጀመሪያ መጥተሽ በቃ ኧረ ምናምን እዚህ አንዳንዴ ያለው ምናምን ነገር ብለሽ ታዲያ why are you lying to me?
I mean, I want to attend like fully, but that time I couldn't. I was
Maybe
very
you should try
busy.
this again.
I
Yeah,
work.
you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Your grammar is all right. Your grammar is all right. Okay, you see? There's A1, A2, B1. ሶስተኛ B1 የሚባል ሌቭል ላይ ነው ያለሽው አሁን። ከዚህ በኋላ ምንድን ነው እንደ ፈረንጅ በቃ ርር ያልሽ የሆነ ተለቅ ያሉ ግራመር ምናምን መጠቀም ነው እንጂ የሚያስፈልግሽ እና ትንንሽ አንዳንድ ቃቶች ግን እስኪ ሞተች በይኝ እስኪ
Dead.
ሞተች
She dead.
ሺ ዴድ ነው ስታስቢ
Passed
አንቺ
away.
የሚባለው እሱ
She
እንዳለ ሆኖ
passed away.
ቆይ ዴድ የሚለውን ቃል ነው እና ሺ ዴድ ነው የሚባለው ወይስ ሺዝ ዴድ ነው የሚባለው? ስታስቢ የትኛው ነው ይመስልሽ? ምታስቢ ንገረኝ።
She's dead. She's dead.
ሺ ኢዝ ዴድ ሺ ኢዝ ዴድ የሞተች ነች። ሂዝ ዴድ ኢትስ ዴድ ነው የምትይው። ራይት ሞተች ነው ስትይ እስኪ ለምሳሌ ትሞታለህ በይኝ እኔን ወደፊት
You will dead.
ዩ
You
ዊል
will
ዴድ
die.
ዩ
You
ዊል
will die.
ዳይ ቬሪ ጉድ እስኪ በይው
You will die.
you will die. All of us
You
are
will
gonna
die.
die. This is sad. This is very sad, but this is true. You will die, right? You will die.
Yeah.
Die ላይ ዲ ጨምሪበት፣ ኢዲ ጨምሪበት።
Died.
Very good. ስለዚህ ሞተች በይ።
She's dead. She's dead. She died.
No,
She
that's
died.
exactly. Thank you very much. እሺ ሰው ሞተችና ስትይ ሁለት ምርጫ አለሽ ማለት ነው አይደል? የሞተች ነችና ሞተች. Right? What was the first one?
Yeah. She's dead and not dead.
She?
She dead. She's
She?
dead.
She's dead now?
She dead. She died.
Nice. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Say it again.
She died.
በዚሁ ጋር ተያያዥነት ስላለው ፀጉሬን ቀለም ተቀባው በይ።
I painted my hair.
እንደዚህ አድርገሽ ነው የቀባሽው? ምንድን ነው የቀባሽው? እንደዚህ ግድግዳ ነው እንደ የቀባሽው? Come on. Okay.
I painted my
ፀጉሬንም
hair.
እሺ እንደዚህ በሽ አስቢው። እሺ ፀጉርሽንም ስትቀቢው በቃ እንደገደልሽው አስቢው። እሺ ስለዚህ I dyed my hair ነው የምትይው። ኦኬ አይሹ ስፔሊንግ ይጻፉልሽ ነው። ያኛው DIED ነው፣ ይሄኛው DYED ነው። ኦኬ
Okay.
say it again.
I did my hair.
I dyed.
I dyed my hair.
Say it again.
I dyed my hair.
Have you ever dyed your hair?
No.
Never.
Never dyed my hair.
You never dyed your hair in your entire life?
Yeah.
Good. Dead, died, died. Still, it's the same thing. The pronunciation is the same. Okay. So, ለራሴ የሆነ ነገር አረጋለሁ በይኝ እስኪ።
የሆነ ነገር anything?
Yeah, ለራሴ የሆነ ነገር አደርጋለሁ በይኝ። I will do something
I will do something for myself.
for myself. to myself ስትይ ምንድነው ዲፈረንሱ? I'll do something to myself and for myself.
For myself exactly ለኔ ነው።
ለኔ ነው። to myself ግን ስትይ
like specific point ነው for self።
ይሄ ነጥቡ ያልገባው አስተማሪ የሚያስረዳው አስተዳደር ነው። ይሄ ስፔሲፊኩ ዝዚ እንደዛ ያለ ራሱ ያልገባው አስተማሪ የሚያስተምርበት ነው። በሰውኛ ቋንቋ ነገር እኔ ስፔሲፊክ ምናምን አልፈልግ በሚገባኝ
ለራሴ ነው።
I'll do something for myself ተርጉሚው
I will do something for myself ለራሴ የሆነ ነገር አደርጋለሁ።
አንበሳ እሺ I'll do something to myself
ለኔ የሆነ ነገር አደርጋለሁ።
ችግር የለውም። እሺ let me make it simple for you የሆነ ነገር ላንተ አደርግልሃለሁ በይኝ። ይሄ ሲሆን ይቀልሻል። እሺ
I will do something for you.
Very good. To you ብታስገቢበትስ? I'll do something to you ሲሆንስ?
Not exactly ላንተ ሰጠው ግን ሜቢ ለሌላ ሰውም ሊሆን ይችላል የምትሰጠው።
ለሌላ ሰውም ይችላል። መልሰሽ ትክክል አይደለም። መልሰሽ ትክክል አይደለም። መልሰሽ ትክክል አይደለም። No, it's not right. It's not right. Okay? All right, Elish. Let me tell you this, all right? I'm going to tell you this and you'll be gone. That's it.
Opposite ነው ያወራሁት?
No, it's not like that. No, it's not even close. Elish, to you ስትይኝ አንተን ራስህን የሆነ ነገር አደርግሃለሁ እያልሽኝ ነው። I'll do something to you. Say it again.
I will do something to you.
Very good. Nice. For you ግን ሲሆን ለአንተ የሆነ ነገር አደርግልሃለሁ እያልሽኝ ነው። ሌላ ምሳሌ ልስጥሽ። በጣም ቀላል። ኦኬ ሎተሪ አሸነፍኩኝና ኦኬ ለእናትህ ምን አደረግክላት በይኝ። What did you do?
For your mother.
Exactly. What did you do for your mother? ለእናትህ ምን አደረግክላት? ኦኬ እንደ አጋጣሚ ከእናቴ ጋር እያወራን ነበረ። Listen to this, all right? ከእናቴ ጋር እያወራን ነበር። ወጣ ብለሽ ስትመጪ እናቴ የሆነ ፌንት ሰርታለች። እናትህን ምን አደረግካት በይኝ።
What did you do to your mother?
ኤግዛክትሊ ገባሽ አይደል? ለእሷ ማደረግክላት ነው እሷ ማደረግካት እያልሽኝ ያለሽው ማለት ገብቶሻል?
ያ
ሊገባኝ እየሞከረ ነው ነገር። ኦኬ እሺ ችግር የለውም። ስልክሽን ሰጠሽኝ ስመልስልሽ እሺ ስልክሽን ሰጠሽኝ ስመልስልሽ አይሰራም። ስልኬ ምን አደረግከው በይኝ።
What did you do to my phone?
አንበሳ እኮ ነሽ እኮ ማማዬ። እውነትም ገብቶሻል። I swear to God. What did you do to my phone? Students, now clap your hands for her. Seriously? Not a joke? Are you sure? በጣም okay. What did you do to my phone? መኪናዬን ምን አደረከው? እሺ በይኝሽ።
መኪናዬን ምን አደረከው? No, I'm not. Okay. What did you do to my car?
Exactly, yeah.
What did you do to my car?
To my car, exactly. Yeah, like to my mother ካለን እዛ ጋር to my car, to my phone ትክክል ነው ማለት ነው። ምንም እንዳፈሪ። ኦኬ አሪፍ ነው። የመጨረሻ እንደዚህ ነገር ነው አንቺ የሚጎልሻል በየ ማሰባው ትንሽ የግራመር ሂዝ ጊዜ ጋር አለ እንዳትረሺ። dead, died ለትርጉም እንዳለው ተናግረናል አይደል?
የፀጉርና
ሞተ። ስፔሊንጋቸው ይለያያል በእርግጥ። ከዛ ደልና ቱ ፎር ዲፈረንሱን አሳየዎች። የመጨረሻ እኔ እንደዚህ ፍቅር አይመቸኝም ምናምን ለማስፈልጊ ፍቅር አይመቸኝም ማስፈልጊ what do we say guys? እስኪ የሚሞክር ሰው አለ? I don't like this man.
Romance thing.
Okay, you can keep trying until you get the answer. ፍቅር ለማስፈልጊ lovey dovey. I don't like this lovey-dovey stuff. Say it again.
I don't like this lovey-dovey stuff. I know the word. One love, yo.
Take care of yourself. One love, y'all. One love. All right. You live in America?
Yeah. ግን አዲስ ነኝ ኢንቦክስ አድርጌ ነበር አሁን።
How long you been living there? For how long have you been living there?
Only 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
How did you get there? Is it legally? Like you went there on a plane?
More ያስቸገረኝ ያለው አሰክቱ ነው።
How? You go to America on a
Yeah.
plane, on a boat, on what?
On plane. On plane.
Walking on a plane legally.
Yeah.
Bad guy.
Yeah.
Okay. Why didn't you learn English when you knew that you would be going to America? Like which is bundle shit bidding but let me kid a and that okay. Why didn't you learn English prior to you going there?
To communication or to what to say አዲስ ነኝ በቃ
I understand. Okay. Listen to me, Moti. You have a plan to go to America. In your mind, after 1 year, I go to America. After 6 months, I go to America. After 3 months, I go to America. After 1 month, I go to America. In your mind, again, sound come. Huh?
ያ ያ
America speak what? Ramifa? English.
ያ
So you, why not learn English? Why not?
ኮንዲሽን አፌክት መሆን ይቻላል። ይሄ
Condition not good.
ያ
Money condition, health condition. What condition?
ኬርለስ ወይ ችላ ባይነት ነገር
English, careless waiting. ይመቻል። By the way, guys, ማንኛውም ኢትዮጵያዊ ማለት ነው የሆነ ሰው ትክክለኛ እንግሊዝኛ እንኳን ባይናገር የሚግባባበት የራሱ እንግሊዝኛ አለው። አሁን ይሄን አስብ፣ የምንገባበትን እንግሊዝኛ ታዩታላችሁ። አማርኛ ሳንጠቀም በእንግሊዝኛ ግን እንግባባለን። ምን አይነት እንግሊዝኛ? እሱን እግዚአብሔር ይወቀው። ኦኬ ሶ ዩ careless in condition, huh? Wait, careless in condition because Ethiopia, you gangster style have what have?
ቢኮዝ
Don't worry. This question hard, maybe. Don't worry, huh? Okay, Moti. How is America?
ኢትስ ጉድ
You like it?
ያ
What like? What like?
ላይክ አይ ላይክ ትራፊክ ዋት
Police?
ትራፊክ
The traffic
ሲስተም ያ
police?
ትራፊክ ፖሊስ ያ
Okay, you like the traffic police in America. Okay, nice. More.
አይ ላይክ ላይፍ ስታይል
What do you mean lifestyle? What's the difference? Ethiopia lifestyle? What's the
ሴኩሪቲ ኦፍ ሃውስ
security of house is good.
ያ
Okay, tell me three more. Go.
ላይፍ ስታይል አይ ሴይ ላይክ ስታይል ኦኬ
Yeah. You said that, but okay, don't worry. I have another question. Don't worry, this is boring question, huh?
ኦኬ
So, your style in Ethiopia and America the same or different? Your style?
ዘ ሴም
You the same? Like in
ኖ ኖ
Ethiopia, you don't
ኖ
clothes the same?
ኖ ኖ
You're different?
ኢትስ ዲፍረንት ያ
Okay, what different? What's different?
ኢትስ ኮንዲሽን
What condition?
ኢትስ ዌዘር ሶሪ
Earth condition. Okay,
ኖ
earth condition,
ዌዘር
weather
ኮንዲሽን
condition.
ዌዘር ኮንዲሽን
Weather condition. It's okay. Same. Earth condition, weather condition. Don't worry. No, my question is, for example, you see, now my style, like I have like this. This is my style, huh? So your style, clothes, everything, Ethiopia and America, the same?
ኖ ኖ
Different?
ያ
Will you change what? You change what? What change?
at this America
New clothes?
yeah nucleus and big clothes
Big clothes. In Ethiopia, yeah, you see, me Ethiopia, you America, that is why. You big, I'm small. Okay, another question. Last question, eh? Last question. Here on TV, America woman, beautiful,
yeah
very beautiful.
yeah
They're beautiful?
yeah
Really?
really
Okay, so you see America woman, what feeling?
I like it.
Really?
Yeah,
Your heart, or what?
I'm more ረሳው በቃ እንግሊዘኛ
I
አይደለም።
got. No, I'm more what? Okay. Now you want America woman or Ethiopia woman? True.
ኢትዮጵያን ውመን
Come on. Really?
ያ ያ
Why?
ኢትዮጵያን ውመንስ ኢዝ our tradition or our lifestyle is one.
Yeah, but America woman is free, relax, huh? Clothes, no problem. Maybe like this, huh? And maybe she sees you like, mwah, like there, everything
No,
free, huh?
no, no. I don't like that. I like in Ethiopian woman.
Okay, but Moti, now you have two tongue. Now you said America woman beautiful. I like it.
No, no,
Now
no,
you
no.
say,
I don't say that.
yeah, what?
Uh, I say
Everybody sees this here. Everybody sees this here. You said my heart is like
I I
this,
I
like
I like I like its lifestyle. እንደዚህ ነው አልኩ እንጂ
Moti. No. I said Ethiopia woman. Me, I look on TV, America woman, beautiful. You said yes, it is true. It is true. Now you go back, but it's okay. It's okay. Anyways, good luck. Do you have a girlfriend?
at this time I haven't.
You don't have a girlfriend.
I'm no.
Okay, nice. Big help here, girls. If you want to go to America and you want to marry the handsome Moti, inbox, huh? Huh?
አይ
ምንም አማርኛ ሳናወራ ተግባባን። ዝም ብለህ ሀሳቡ ላይ ፎከስ ብቻ ነው ማድረግ መቻል ያለብህ። ከዛ ቀስ ያለ ይስተካከላል። ጣጣ የለውም። አንድ ያደረገን እናስችላለን። ምንም እንዳታስብ እሺ። ፋን ላይክ በቃ እንደዚህ ነው። ግን ክላሱ የሚሆነው ዝም ብሎ ሪ ያሉ ማስተማር ሳይሆን ማለማመድ ነው የሚሆነው። ኦኬ ግን በትንሹ 1 ዓመት ወስንለት። 1 ዓመት በቃ ዝም ብዬ እማራለሁ ብለህ የምታስብ ከሆነ አሪፍ አስተማሪ ይሰጥሃለሁ። ቀስ እያሉ በደንብ ያሳየዋል ማለት ነው። እሺ ሙቲ ኢንቦክስ ሚ ዩር ነምበር።
ያ እሺ ኦኬ እሺ አልኩ እኮ አሁንም
Don't worry, you're doing good.
ኦኬ